हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स सन एकेडमी रे आपण मानकु स्वागत। आज आम देखा आरआरबी एनटीपीसी आरआरबी ग्रुप टी ट्रेडिशनल जीके इंडियन पॉलिटी पार्ट 5। चैनल स्टार्ट करवा लेट करवा नहीं। Amnesty International Organization volunteer campaign for human rights all over the world, human values worldwide, human evaluation studies, human free education rights। आंसर अब अपन करें human rights all over the world। ओके। Question number 2. Before the independence of India, Dadar Nagar Haveli were under the administrative control of English, French, Portuguese or Afghans. Answer ଆପଣଙ୍କର C Portuguese. Okay. ଲେଖିଛି ଦାଦା ନଗର ହାଭେଲି were small undefended Portuguese overseas territory, part of the Portuguese India since 1779. The territory were enclaves without any access to the sea, administered by the Portuguese governor of the district of the Damao. Okay. Question number 3 jiba. Who among the following is constitutionally empowered to make the changes in the scheduled areas? Supreme Court, High Court, Prime Minister of India, President of India. Answer upon the President of India. Okay. The President is empowered to declare an area to be a scheduled area, or the President can increase or decrease its area, alter its boundary lines in the consultation with the governor of the state concerned. Okay. Question number 4. Fundamental duties were added in the Constitution of the India under the leadership of Prime Minister of India. Narasimha Rao, Charan Singh, Indira Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Answer upon C. Indira Gandhi. It was added to the Constitution of India under the leadership of Indira Gandhi. The fundamental duty of citizens were added to the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment in 1946 upon the recommendation of the Swarna Singh Committee that was constituted by the government. Question number 5. How are the members of the Parliament replaced in case of the death and resignation? Through by election, through general election, both none of the answer upon through by election. Okay, the President of India names an individual as the Prime Minister who is either the head of the gathering which hold a majority share of the seat in the Lok Sabha, or an individual who can win the certainty of the Lok Sabha by the picking of the help of the other ideological groups. Any remaining minister are named by the President on the Council of the Prime Minister. Okay. Question number 6. Which of the following authorities is or are competent to issue rights regarding the enforcement of fundamental rights? President, Supreme Court and High Court, Parliament. Answer upon C. Supreme Court and High Court. The Constitution empowers the Supreme Court and the High Court with the duty to safeguard the fundamental rights of the citizen. The Supreme Court under the Article 32 and the High Court under the Article 226 of the Constitution can issue rights for the protection of fundamental rights. Question number 7. Which provision of the Constitution empowers to the central government to provide reservation for the weaker section of society in jobs and educational institution? Article 14, 16, 46 or 19. Answer B 16. The Constitution was amended by the Constitution 77 Amendment Act 1995, and a new clause 4A was inserted to Article 16 to enable the government to provide reservation in promotion. Okay. Question number 8. On whose recommendations were fundamental duty included in the Indian Constitution? Santhanam Committee, Swarna Singh Committee, Saha Commission, Administrative Reforms Commission. Answer ଆପଣଙ୍କର B Swarna Singh Committee by recently କହିଥିଲେ। Question number 19. Which state government has reserved 75% jobs for local residents in the private sector? Bihar, Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Punjab. Answer ଆପଣଙ୍କର B Haryana. Haryana's most touted legislation providing 75% reservation to the state domiciles for private sector jobs is still to be implemented in the state. Chandigarh, Haryana's most touted legislation same reason. Chandigarh, Haryana same reason था. Okay. Question number 10. Which of the following high court has become the first high court in the country to set up justice clock? Gujarat High Court, Delhi, Rajasthan or Allahabad? Answer आपणकर Gujarat High Court. Okay. The first High Court of India was established in Kolkata. It was formerly called the High Court of the Jurisdiction of Fort William. It was issued under the Indian High Court Act 1861. It was formally opened on 1st July 1862. Sir Barnes Peacock as its first Chief Justice of the Kolkata High Court. Justice Subarna Nath Pandit was the first Indian to assume office as a judge of the Kolkata High Court. Okay, ଏଇଟା ବିଭିନ୍ନ କୋର୍ଟ ଉପରେ ଟିକେ ବେଶୀ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲାନେସନ୍ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି ଯେ କୋର୍ଟରେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଥିଲା ବଟ୍ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେଇଟା ଆପଣ କ'ଣ ଗୁଜୁରାଟ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଓକେ ଲ ବିଷୟରେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଇଏ ଆପଣମାନେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ସନ୍ଡେ ଏକାଡେମୀ ଆଉ ଆପଣମାନେ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ QR କୋଡ୍ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ଆମର ସନ୍ଡେ ଏକାଡେମୀର ଟେଲିଗ୍ରାମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ ଆପଣମାନେ QR କୋଡ୍ ସ୍କାନ୍ କରିବେ ସ୍କାନ୍ କରିକି ଭିତରେ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ମାରିଲେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏ PDF ମେଟେରିଆଲ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ମିଳିବ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଆପଣ ଡିଟେଲ୍ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲେନେସନ୍ ଦେଇଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମିଳିଲେ ଆପଣମାନେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ପଢ଼ିଲେ ଆପଣ ଡିଟେଲ୍ ଗୋଟେ ନଲେଜ୍ ଗେନ୍ ହେବ ଓକେ ଏ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ସବୁ ପୁରା ସିଓର ସର୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ମାନେ NTPC ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ D ଏନି ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ରେ ଆସିବା ସିଓର ସର୍ଟ ଓକେ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ବଦଳରେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଆଡ଼ଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଆମର ଅଛି आशा OPSC AS बैच फंडामेंटल फाउंडेशन बैच आपणकर कौन ना अनलॉक योर पोटेंशियल विथ आवर ऑफलाइन कोर्सेस कंप्लीट सिलेबस कवर होची 8,9,997 6 मंथ वैलिडिटी होची बैच स्टार्ट होची 20 मार्च रे आ सेमती कर्मवीर RRB NTPC एंड RRB ग्रुप डी फाउंडेशन बैच अनलॉक योर पोटेंशियल विथ आवर ऑफलाइन कोर्सेस कंप्लीट सिलेबस कवर अंडर 4999 6 मंथ वैलिडिटी बैच स्टार्ट होची 20 मार्च रे लाइब्रेरी भी अवेलेबल अछि हम पाखरे 499 रे तेणु तळे जेटी एड्रेस आपण माने तळे जो एड्रेस लगा अछि 8N4185 IRC विलेज नापल्ली आपण जाके एडमिशन कर परिबे आ आपण माने ए जो नंबर दिया अछि नंबर कांटेक्ट भी करिकि आपण माने निज डाउट किछि अछि जति आपण कोर्सेस विषय रे आपण किन करि परिबे पिला माने Question number 11 question. According to the directive principle of the state policy, up to what age children are expected to given free and compulsory education? 14, 15, 16 or 18? Answer होची 14. The state shall endeavour to provide within a period of 10 years from the commencement of this constitution for free and compulsory education for all the children until they complete the age of 14 years. Okay. Question number 12. Under which of the following pardoning power of the president, the nature of punishment is mitigated? Commutation, avoidance, postponement, procrastination. Answer upon commutation. Okay. Kona Article 72 of the Constitution empowers the president to grant pardons to the person who have been tried and convicted at any offence. Question number 13. In which of the following presidential government is formed? Fixed term of office, no duplication of the executive among the numbers of legislature, election of the president by popular vote, all of the above. Answer D, all of the above. Okay. Question number 14. Which of the following states were formed after 1960? What was the correct sequence of their formation? Haryana, Sikkim, Nagaland or Meghalaya? Option दिया है आपण मान आंसर करंतु आंसर अब आपण D 3142 केमदी in conclusion the correct chronological order of the formation of the given state is Nagaland 1963, Haryana 1966, Meghalaya 1972, Sikkim 1975. Okay. Question number 15. Under Article 356, the president's rule can be imposed in any state. Normally, what maximum period? 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, or 4 year? Answer C 4 year. Oh, sorry, 3 year. If the both houses of parliament have approved the proclamation imposing president's rule in the country, then it will continue for 6 months. It can be extended for a maximum period of 3 years, but the approval of the same is required every 6 months. Okay. Question number 16. Who among the following nominates person for the various parliamentary delegation sent to the foreign country? President of Rajya Sabha, स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा प्राइम मिनिस्टर प्रेसिडेंट आंसर आपनकर बी स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा the minister of parliament affairs nominates the member of the parliament or various government delegation visiting abroad. Question number 17. If any questions arises as the age of the judge of the High Court of India who decided it by the governor in consultation with the Chief Justice of the High Court, by the President in consultation with the Chief Justice of India, by the Chief Justice of India in consultation with the President, by the Chief Justice of India in consultation with the Governor. So, B, the President in consultation with the Chief Justice of India. Okay. এটা ଆପଣ ପଢ଼ି ନେବେ ନିଜେ ଏଇଟା ଡିଟେଲ୍ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ଟିକେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଡିଟେଲ୍ ଏଲାବୋରେଟ୍ କରାଯାଇଛି ଆଉ ଆର୍ଟିକଲ୍ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି 231 ଓକେ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ନମ୍ବର 18 ଯିବା ଆମେ Is it necessary to place the proclamation of the national emergency before the parliament for its approval within a month, within 6 months, within a year, within 2 months? Answer ଆପଣଙ୍କର A within a month. Okay. State of emergency refers to a period of governance that can be proclaimed by the President of India during the certain situation. National emergency can be declared on the basis of war, external aggression, or armed rebellion. The Constitution employs the expression proclamation of emergency to denote an emergency of this type. A proclamation of the emergency must be placed before the parliamentary for approval within a month. Within a month. Okay. It must be approved by the both the houses of parliament. Article 352 of the constitution deals with the national emergency. Okay. Question number 19. What permission does the vote on account give to the union government? Permission to take public debt, permission to take loan from RBI, permission to provide grant to the states, permission to withdraw money from the consolidated fund of India for a specific period. Answer upon D. Permission to withdraw money from the consolidated fund of India for a specific period. Okay. এটা বা সেই সেম জিনিসটা লেখা ହେଇଛି ଡିଟେଲରେ କିଛି ଟିକେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଭୋଟ ଅନ୍ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଉପରେ କିଛି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କନସିଡର ଫଣ୍ଡ କ'ଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଏ ଡିଟେଲରେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲେନେସନ୍ ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ନିଜେ PDF ପାଇଲେ ପଢ଼ିଦେବେ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି Question number 20. The parliamentary committee to review the report of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is Assessment Committee, Public Account Committee, Select Committee. None of the answer will be Public Accounts Committee. Okay. The function of the Public Account Committee is to examine the annual audit report of the Comptroller, Auditor General, CAG, which are laid before the Parliament of the President. Okay. ପିଲାମାନେ ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ଆପଣମାନେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ସଣ୍ଡେ ଏକାଡେମୀର ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ ଆଉ ଆପଣମାନେ ଏଠି ଯେଉଁ QR କୋଡ଼୍ଟି ଦିଆହେଇଛି QR କୋଡ଼୍ଟି ସ୍କାନ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବେ ଏଇ PDF ଗୁଡ଼ା ପାଇବେ PDF ଗୁଡ଼ା ପାଇଲେ ଆପଣ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଥରଟେ ଆପଣ ପଢ଼ିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ପୁରା ଜେନେରାଲ୍ ଆଇଡ଼ିଆ ହେଇଯିବ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କ'ଣ ପଡ଼ୁଛି ଆଉ ସଣ୍ଡେ ଏକାଡେମୀ ଯେଉଁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରୁଛୁ ଆପଣ ସର୍ଟ ପାଣି ଚାହାନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଟିଟୋ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଡ଼ିବ କିଛି ଅପସନ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆପଣ ଏପଟ ସେପଟ ହେବନି ଏଇ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ହିଁ ପଡ଼ିବ ତେଣୁ ଆପଣମାନେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने सहित आप टेलीग्राम रे भी जॉइन करंतु पिलामाने नेक्स्ट हैला हमर आशा ओपीएससी सब बैच फाउंडेशन बैच रहला ऑफलाइन बैच एटा गोटे कंप्लीट सिलेबस कवर होची मात्र 9999 रे ओके 6 मंथ वैलिडिटी आपन बैच स्टार्ट होची 20 मार्च रे सेमती कर्मा भी आरआरबी एनटीपीसी आरआरबी ग्रुप डी बैच सेटा भी फाउंडेशन बैच और आपनकर ऑफलाइन कोर्स एटा कंप्लीट सिलेबस कवर मात्र 4999 रे होची 6 मंथ वैलिडिटी होची आ आपनकर बैच स्टार्ट होबी से 20 मार्च स्टार्ट होची लाइब्रेरी आपनकर अछि जस्ट 499 रे बहुत मिनिमल प्राइस भुवनेश्वर खोजले मिलबनी आपण एससी सेटा ओके आ 8 N4185 IRC विलेज ना पल्ले जेके आपण एड्रेस जो कहली सेठी जेके आपण विजिट करंतु एडमिशन पई किमा कोर्सेस पई किछि जदि आपण डाउट अछि आपण तळे देथिया नंबर रे कांटेक्ट करि परिबे पिला माने क्वेश्चन नंबर डेला व्हाट इज द मिनिमम एज limit to become a member of the parliament in Lok Sabha 25 years 28 years 30 years or none of the यार आंसर निश्चित भाव आपण कमेंट सेक्शन दियंतु जहार आंसर ठीक हम निश्चित भाव गोटे स्माइली सिंबल आपण माने पाइबे हार्ट रो आपण जानि पारबे जे आपण आंसर ठीक अछि आरआरबी एनटीपीसी आपण फुल्ली प्रिपेयर हे अछंदी ओके आ एमती हमने डिस्कशन करूथबो आपण आरआरबी ग्रुप टी पर्यंत जण सेटिक बिता आपण जेटिक क्वेश्चन अछि आपण देखि देखि चलंतु कोडा जिंस बुझि बुझि चलंतु किछि डाउट ले कमेंट सेक्शन रे आपण माने निश्चित लिखंतु आ ए वीडियो टी प्लीज संग साथी माने शेयर करंतु पिला माने ये है हमारा सन्डे एकेडमी वीडियो लाइक कमेंट शेयर सब्सक्राइब करेंगे थैंक यू सो मच।